Welcome back, everyone. You are watching the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage YouTube channel, and today I'm waiting for the new owner of this machine that I've restored. They are going to be coming back to pick it up, and they've tested it out. And I had never thought of something that they mentioned to me. The client has, when they use a foot pedal for their sewing machine, it can cause back problems. And the person who's getting this machine did not know that there were knee versions or knee levers to be used with Singer foot pedals so that you can use your knee for speed control. And the client says that, hey, they think it's going to be more comfortable. So it never occurred to me that knee control was not just something to keep the foot pedal out of view in your home decor. It actually can have a wonderful ergonomic benefit. And anyway, this person sews wedding gowns, and they are looking for a straight stitch machine that makes incredible stitches. And what I've learned from those of you who are great sewists is that, well, the 201, the 301, and the featherweight make some of the most glorious stitches you'll ever see. And I know there are many of you who love your Fofs and Bernitas because they too make beautiful stitches, just so you know. But this machine, the Singer 201, is legendary for its rotary straight stitch. And I just like it when I can share something with, not only with all of you, but I was explaining this machine to the soon-to-be new owner, and I also told them that they were able to teach me something about that knee lever. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you all next time.